yes say wambu ho anipa bia nya de embu yambu ya ho enti ni omode ye no eye normal mami because we don't respect ourselves say yebu ya ho a na say nka ye dasunya so na ye dwena nka I don't think say any normal human being with common sense will go and vote for John Mahama because from day one you knew what you were getting yourself into and yet what about man because a insult to the people to his own people in the northern side say obekwakofa obi aba wato ambulances. Come on, this is not the first time and this 4 years I deal with. Okay, so Mokofa that Ford pickup be yede a year say ambulance. Yede bag and we didn't use it. And this time round so no. Henka wo de wajim kakra kra no nka hwene na Dubai oye na ye similar thing. At least so was improve no. Wa o extend it. But like Okofa ade we ba say ambulance ya. Enemri. Ene yonton Ghana na ma China fo ene yenji yense na ye hu say China fo be ye no omo nse omo ne ma no famre because ambulance we say ebia obi wo emergency say o de o health sector ntinu unim the kind of emergency ye use siren and the kind of hospital transfer ene ye normal because you are scheduled because say a kind of emergency say ambulance use siren na say o de we and na ordinary kwana say bia say take bia be in fact say bia 10 minutes and I said 20 minutes so do hospital and yes obe free ma we ebetima can it perform that fashion no
60 km/h na go slow
60 km/h I say so obi on normal ride na onam chrome
you are a chief driver so tell them
I drive truck me speed ya normal me use 76 mile per hour.
Wow.
Say about kilometers around 100 and something kilometer per hour.
Track.
That's my normal speed I'm used to. But ambulance send me home. Me say the ambulance is driving more than drive more than 80 miles per hour, depending on the emergency.
Yes,
the person one. And this it's such a mockery. Like I don't know. Because me area I don't think so betting this way about. Say what they but your own people, I didn't we are so crying for team sir. Women can any politics mere like some kind of mindset any power say these people no cry oh yeah more than cry on beto maintain yanyamom. Because I see say if we think as a Ghanaians and as a human being, say normal person be or drinking near my one. I think say we cry and say to Mrs. Sanyama, but no. You people from that area will still vote for them. Very bad and pathetic. Say a whole president. I don't know the kind of people who sat down, have that idea, say young to idea with family ambulance. And no wonder because almost young people catch almost a brofunti or become a minority, right? And this lady, I don't know her name, or sorry, or can say a near right says or Kasana. Even if you go to Germany, almost say almost use more language, and so even if they will learn English, or more use now, so she almost Kasana, almost say racism. Now say a whole minister racist no okay racist no see racism in the floor of parliament and she was okay speaking that bad English parliament. Now Kasamon Chebro for I was say because obi are ordering say ya to about ma omo munim nyansa. I don't think say we will be heading towards where we are heading towards now. Just barely 2 months in government. Na makoto we and say do e dey ambekun
me that say
tricycle say yan fanya ambulance. What part of this word you use tricycle say the ambulance? Even baby omo koto no omo misa so omo the ambulance e o ha na
Yo.
And I yeah less privilege say yeah the voice me time soon yeah for some cut me. Yeah na
What am I
yeah
so?
less privilege say you shoot to asaka e okay mine. Oh, ada na omoto e no omanfa mba your friend say baby ono your mama ne otino
President Flagstaff House
residency
now.
o yeah one farmer residency o na ode ko the northern side because on the omu yamwa ye de kwa omu ndi yamfa nkogu omu so on chare edu baby aya na ya reho the kind of people we vote for the kind of people are you could deal them to abamom because say utimi ko to abamo obi a ontimi communicate e no any own language na on transfer ontimi speak English kra na e kana e asema this is what we get because of parliament near kasa dia na obeka dia na obeka onti ase he can't even understand and assimilate it ndino dia na obeka say ya na de be yom na ye to ayi say aka na ye to bento ane ayi ba hospital say uyam yo ye ko hospital ye nsaw because they think koto trasacle everybody betima to bento aba hospitals. Oh, what kind of
Odi usi say ya? Usa ka na de.
me say aka na ye to bento a edema nurses for say uyam yo ya ba na ya saw because they think to trasacle say em fanye ambulance because hey the kind of president ni ministers are your Ghana. I don't want to use some offensive word, but some of them, oh, they be bad, Charlie. All right.
Thank you so much. Yo, Dashaw says the level of mediocrity is appalling. Quad says that we need to go down to towns and markets to tell them what is going on to their understanding. Okay, Margaret says still it's possible. Aspiring is laughing. Let me quickly read some. I pretty quick say, can you imagine? Mami say, I hear the siren is in the farm milk horn. Yo. Yakub say, yes, it's true. Then Quad says, Ghanaians are the problems together destroying Ghanaians and voting wrongly. Yeah, Balu say, you party member, add me up. You, I hear you. Mami say, so when were they procure? Mami, I can't tell you. Now these people. All right. Okay, so let me take